Hello, welcome to our guide on using the Bucher Hydraulics GPP PowerPack Design Configurator. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional in the world of fluid power, this tool is here to make your life a whole lot easier. Our configurator is an online tool designed to help you create custom PowerPack designs tailored to your specific needs. It's like having your own personal hydraulic engineer at your fingertips. Let's start with the basics. First things first, let's get you to the configurator. Head on over to the Bucher Hydraulics website and scroll down the home page to click on the configurator tile seen here. There are other ways to navigate to the configurator page. From the Bucher homepage, you can also get there by clicking Products, scroll down to Power Units, next GPP Power Packs, followed by the configurator link at the top of the page. We've included a direct link in the description of this video to get you there quickly. Now let's talk about navigating this thing. When you first dive into the configurator, you will notice that the component selections are neatly laid out on the left side. That's where you'll be making all the magic happen. Looking at the top right corner, you'll spot the download options. That's where you can grab CAD files or PDF data sheets once your design is ready to roll. On the right side, you'll find the image window or product viewer. It's not just a static image, it's interactive. Want to get a closer look? Simply scroll the wheel on your mouse to make the unit bigger or smaller. You can click and hold the image, then move your mouse around, and you'll see the unit from different angles. It's like having your own virtual tour. Here at the bottom of the product viewer, you'll spot some handy buttons. These allow you to toggle between different views and measurements. And there you have it, a quick review to navigating our configurator like a pro. All right, now on to the fun part. Generating your PowerPack design. Selecting your region is a crucial first step because it ensures the PowerPack design meets the standards and requirements of the location where your PowerPack will be used. Simply choose your region from the drop-down menu and you're good to go. Moving on to circuit type. Double or single acting options are currently available. Make your selection here. We will continue to add more circuits and additional options as they become available, so be sure to check back. You might have noticed the image on the right is trying to update with your new selections. You need to click the Update Preview to see those changes come to life. We'll come back to that in a moment. If you need assistance in selecting the proper pump motor for your needs, please reach out. Our contact information can be found in the description of this video. Now let's choose the motor. Take a look at the options available and select the one that best fits your needs. Next, pumps. Dive into the pump options and pick the one that suits your requirements. Moving on to relief valve settings. Adjust these to ensure your system operates safely and efficiently. Let's talk reservoir size. Choose the option that best fits your application's needs. There are other selections such as control pendant and flow control options available. Feel free to change those and the remaining options as needed. Once you've made all your selections, it's time to see your creation. Click Update Preview. A login request pops up. Don't worry, it's just to save your design. If this is your first time using the configurator, simply click Register and follow the prompts to create an account. If you've already got an account set up, just log in and you're good to go. Once you've logged in, hit Update Preview one more time. And there it is, your newly designed unit, ready for action. You've crafted the perfect PowerPack. Now it's time to put it to good use. But before you do, let's make sure you have all the information you need. To download details about your PowerPack, you have a couple of options. You can grab a CAD file for detailed design work. There are various file types to choose from. Or, if you prefer something simpler, there is a PDF datasheet available also. Once you select your preferred option, keep an eye on the file being created above the unit image. When it's ready, simply hit download to save it to your computer. Now here's a handy tip. Jot down the product number seen here, or keep the PDF datasheet close. They'll come in super handy when you submit your configuration for a quote. To do this, just click on the Submit Your Configuration link above the configurator. You'll see it right here. Fill out the form, include your product number, or upload the datasheet, and someone will be in touch with you before you know it. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to our PowerPack Design Configurator. We hope this tool helps streamline your hydraulic design process and saves you time and effort along the way. Thanks for watching and happy designing.